Friends, welcome to Crypto Guru channel. This video I will share you less important updates about Bitcoin. Its price prediction this year mega bullion. That is this meme coin has potential to be the next $1 billion market meme coin, can be the next real 1000x potential meme coin or not. Can I see its listing on tier 1 central exchanges or not? So videos be very special, very important. You have to just for the complete video here. France Maris name 0.4 times your $11 current price, a pump by almost 19% last 24 hours. This is good recovery from this meme coin, but you can see last 30 days dumped by 52% here because the entire crypto market was dumping. So that's why this meme coin and all other meme coins are also dumping here. Even large cap meme coins just like Floki, just like Mo, Sheep, Doge, all meme coins were recently dumping here. Current market cap only $11.5 million. So right now this meme coin is in massive dip here because already this meme coin has hit almost $50 million market few months ago when crypto market was very bullish. $1.3 million trading volume in last 24 hours. This is awesome, friends. Almost 999 billion coin supply and all in circulation. Solana ecosystem meme coin, I can see, friends, Solana ecosystem meme coin, yeah, 83% down than its all-time high. There were 2 months ago, as I already told you, and all-time low was 7 months ago, where from almost we are 1600% up. Coin has already killed 2 zeros since its launching. So this is, I think, good performance from this meme coin. No doubt we are at 3% down right now, but still we are nearly 1600% up also. So this is good. MEXC has listed, I'm holding on MEX exchange. Get.io also list this coin, and if you have no accounts on both these exchanges, then I will provide you both exchanges links in description. You can join MEXC and Get.io. XD.com has also listed that is third central exchange where this meme coin listed. There's no any other central exchange here is to list this coin, but definitely, friends, this meme coin has potential to be the next listing for many major central exchanges, and maybe it can be Binance also. You can also check out his website. This is not a dog or cat theme meme coin, but this is party animal by made memes after dark. So no doubt this token is looking very good. These are some DEXs and central exchanges where this coin is listed, including CoinGecko, CoinMarket, LBank. LBank is still not updated on CoinGecko, but it's listed. And you can see, friends, big exchanges listing up. Just wait, this thing I already told you that it's also possible that we can see is listing on many other major central exchanges, that they are also telling you that big exchanges lined up. Just wait. So maybe that can be Bybit, crypto.com, Kraken also, and you can check out all further details here. So no doubt website is also looking good. Friends, now my price prediction about Bitcoin is that S coin has currently 4 zeros in its price and current market cap is around $11 billion. So if we buy this meme coin around $10 million market cap, that may be possible because again crypto market is dumping. And if we found this meme coin around $10 million market cap, and if this meme coin can hit at least $1 billion market cap, that is exactly 100x from here. But these type of meme coins, because Solana meme coin, party animal theme meme coin, not a dog or cat theme meme coin, definitely this meme coin has potential to be the next at least, I think, $2 billion market cap meme coin, because still there's no any major tier 1 central exchange listing for this coin. There's no Binance, Coinbase, Kraken yet for this coin, but definitely this coin has potential to be the next listing for maybe major central exchanges also, because entire crypto market is right now dumped. So that's why its market cap is just $11.5 million. But when again we see a massive boom in crypto market for meme coins super cycle mega burn, this meme coin has potential to be the next at least $1 to $2 billion market cap meme coin. Is my price prediction can be true or not, because I'm already holding this coin since last couple of months. So if you're also making investment in this coin, do your own research and then invest here. What's your price prediction about this meme coin? You can must comment down below.